You know those things that you don't know you need, but they turn out to be very useful? That's my take on the Xtar L8 box. Now, if you've been following this channel for a while, you know that I've reviewed a lot of Xtar products. I like the brand because they produce very good quality products. Now, they've just sent me their latest product, the Xtar L8 Box battery charging case and some AAA lithium-ion batteries. Now, FYI, Xtar mainly produce lithium-ion batteries. If you have rechargeable batteries in your home, they're more likely one of two types. It's either lithium-ion batteries or nickel metal hydride batteries, right? If you have those types that are not rechargeable, most times they are alkaline batteries. We're not talking about those today. So let's see what you get in the box. Firstly, you get a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. You also get the Xtar L8 box, which is not a box at all. You also get a user manual in multiple languages. And finally, you get an Xtar leatherette bag. Nice touch. Now, taking a look around the L8 box, it has a metallic finish, but it's made of plastic. On the top is the Xtar branding and numbers 1 to 8 indicating the battery slots. It takes a maximum of 8 batteries. Now, the top cover is magnetic. Inside the slots are plastic adapters for AAA batteries, and AA batteries can be placed directly. Now, I've been testing the L8 box, just trying to understand it, and I think I have a rough idea what this product is all about. Because if you have rechargeable batteries, chances are you already have chargers for those batteries, right? Now, why would you buy this particular product, right? But I get it. See, the L8 box is coming to address a problem that we didn't even know needed addressing, and that is losing batteries. For example, chances are you don't even know where your batteries are right now. Maybe you place them in the drawer, right? But that is not a conducive environment for keeping batteries. See, batteries like lithium batteries or nickel metal hydride batteries, they need certain conditions to be stored, otherwise they degrade over time. So this is what the L8 box is coming to address. Not only that, right? The idea is that maybe when you get home, you were using batteries, you can simply have a location where you know where they are. You can simply place your batteries in there, knowing that tomorrow morning you just get to that L8 box, pick up your batteries and go and do your business. Now, the L8 box is compatible with 1.5 volts lithium-ion batteries and 1.2 volts nickel metal hydride batteries. Both support AA and AAA batteries. When it comes to charging the batteries, each slot has a light indicator which flashes constantly. And when the batteries are full, each slot will have 4 constant lights. Now, depending on the type of battery you are charging, on average, it took the L8 box about 40 minutes to charge my batteries from empty to full. Now, this will also depend on the capacity and the types of the batteries you'll be charging as well. Now, the L8 box is selling for about $45 on AliExpress. So the question is, would I recommend the L8 box to you? Definitely. I've been using Xtar products for a while now, and I've been recommending people those batteries, and I haven't had any complaints. If you're interested in buying the L8 box, I'll leave a few buying links below, which will also help support the channel. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.